Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this OPPO A96 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can set the Opera browser as your default browser on this device. So first of all, open up the settings. Here at the settings, scroll down until you stumble upon the apps management category. At the apps management menu, go for the default tabs, browser app section, and here all that it's left to do is to select Opera, and from now on that will mean that the Opera is the default browser on this device. There is also the second way to do so. In order to execute it, you gotta open up the Opera app itself. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon you have. Next, on the menu, you will just tap on this gear icon, which stands for settings. Scroll down until you stumble upon the default browser section. Tap on it, click on next. Select Opera and press on set as default. And we are all set. So that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.